the only 5 exercises you truly need to build strong, powerful glutes. And here's why it matters. Your glutes aren't just big muscles. They're your body's engine for movement and stability. They protect your spine, support your hips and knees, and drive athletic performance in every major action your body performs. But many people either skip glute training or think it's optional. Not anymore. When your glutes are weak, everything else overcompensates. Your lower back strains, your knees take extra load, and even your posture suffers. But when your glutes are strong, every movement becomes more stable, more powerful, and safer. Today, I'll show you the 5 movements that build glute strength efficiently, without wasting time on fluff. Real results, real function, real strength. But before we begin, drop your comments and where you're watching from. Why strong glutes matter. Benefit 1, reduced knee and back pain. Your glutes stabilize the pelvis and control hip movement. When they're weak, your body compensates using smaller muscles like the quads and lower back. That causes knee compression, spinal stress, and chronic discomfort. Strong glutes help realign the body and protect the joints. Benefit 2, increased calorie burn, even after the workout. Because the glutes are massive muscles, training them spikes oxygen usage and metabolism. This is the EPOC effect. You keep burning calories for hours afterward, even while resting. Benefit 3, hormonal boost and stronger bones. Training glutes triggers natural anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, and increases bone density at the hips and spine. So this isn't just about aesthetics. It's long-term strength and longevity. Exercise 5, step up. The step up is a highly functional unilateral exercise working the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and core stabilizers. Because it's done one leg at a time, it corrects muscle asymmetries between limbs. Higher step height increases glute activation, but also requires more balance. To execute correctly, face a bench or box 16 to 24 inches high. Place one foot fully on the surface and drive through that leg only. Don't push with the back leg. Fully extend the hip and contract the glute at the top. Descend with control. Common mistakes include using the back leg to push off, leaning forward, not fully extending at the top, and using inadequate step height. Exercise 4, Bulgarian split squat. This is one of the most effective movements for building glute size and definition. By elevating the back foot, most of the load transfers to the front leg. This creates intense glute activation and deep stretch during descent, stimulating muscle hypertrophy. Position yourself with your back to a bench, place the top of one foot on it, step forward with the other leg, descend until thigh is parallel or below. Keep torso upright, knee stable, and push through heel to rise. Common errors include standing too close or far from bench, knee collapsing inward, leaning forward, not descending deeply, or rushing the eccentric face. Exercise 3, glute bridge. Performed lying on the ground, this exercise focuses on elevating the hips to create a straight line from shoulders to knees, with strong peak contraction at the top. To perform, lie on your back, feet hip-width apart. Drive through heels and lift hips, contract the glutes for 2 to 3 seconds before lowering. Avoid arching your lower back. Common errors include overextending, using momentum, and letting knees drift inward or outward. Exercise 2, cable kickback. This isolates the gluteus maximus through hip extension with constant tension provided by cable or band. Best performed at the end of a workout when glutes are pre-activated. To perform, attach ankle strap, lean slightly forward, keep core engaged, and extend leg backward with control. Do not arch your lower back or rotate hips. This is a sculpting, not ego-lifting movement. Focus on contraction. Exercise 1, hip abduction machine. This strengthens the gluteus medius and minimus, the crucial stabilizers of the pelvis during walking, running, and all single-leg movements. Weakness here leads to pelvic drop and overload on knees and hips. To perform, sit upright, push legs outward under control, contract glutes, and return slowly. Never let the plates slam. Avoid using momentum or excessively heavy loads that reduce range of motion. Strong glutes don't just change how you look, they change how you live. You'll move with more power, more stability, and more confidence in every step, jump, lift, and stride. So, here's your challenge. Start training your glutes with intention. Stay patient, stay consistent, and your results will follow. If this video brought you value, tap like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to move and feel better. Thanks for being here. Keep showing up, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.